Rotations about the origin. This video, created by Math GPS, is for Texas 8th grade math and correlates to Common Core standards for 8th grade as well. What is a rotation? A rotation is a transformation that turns a figure about a fixed point called the center of rotation. The fixed point in this video will be the origin. A rotation is often referred to as a turn. The original quadrilateral graphed in quadrant 1 is rotated about the origin into quadrants 2, 3, and 4. A positive angle of rotation turns the figure in a counterclockwise direction. This corresponds to the naming of quadrants on the coordinate grid. Original quadrilateral ABCD is rotated about the origin 90 degrees to create quadrilateral A', B', C', D'. Original quadrilateral ABCD is rotated about the origin 180 degrees to create quadrilateral A', B', C', D'. Original quadrilateral ABCD is rotated about the origin 270 degrees to create quadrilateral A', B', C', D'. A negative angle of rotation turns the figure in a clockwise direction. Original quadrilateral ABCD is rotated about the origin negative 90 degrees clockwise to create quadrilateral A', B', C', D'. A negative 90-degree rotation is the same as a 270-degree rotation counterclockwise. Original quadrilateral ABCD is rotated about the origin negative 180 degrees to create quadrilateral A', B', C', D'. A negative angle rotation is a clockwise turn. Negative or positive 180-degree rotations about the origin produce the same image. Original quadrilateral ABCD is rotated about the origin negative 270 degrees to create quadrilateral A', B', C', D'. A negative clockwise 270-degree rotation about the origin produces the same image as a positive 90-degree rotation about the origin. A figure and its rotation are the same shape and size. They are congruent. The original figure and images created have the same perimeter and the same area. Triangle ABC is rotated 90 degrees about the origin to form triangle A', B', C'. Number 1. Write an algebraic representation for this rotation. We begin by listing the vertex locations for each triangle. Vertex A is located at 3, 3. Vertex A' is listed at -3, 3. Vertex B is located at 3, 10. Vertex B' is located at -10, 3. Vertex C is located at 8, 10. Vertex C' is located at -10, 8. What patterns do you see? What do you notice about the X values in triangle ABC vertices and the Y values in triangle A', B', C' vertices? What do you notice about the Y values in triangle ABC vertices and the x values in triangle A prime, B prime, C prime vertices. An algebraic representation for a 90-degree rotation about the origin is xy transformed to negative y x. Number 2, was the rotation clockwise or counterclockwise? Counterclockwise. The rotation was a positive 90 degrees. Are the triangles congruent? Yes, the size remains constant in a rotation. Number 4, is the perimeter of triangle ABC equal to the perimeter of triangle A prime, B prime, C prime? Yes, the perimeter is the same. Number 5, is the area of triangle ABC equal to the area of triangle A prime, B prime, C prime? Yes, the area measures are equal. A figure is graphed on a coordinate grid. Number 1, if the figure is rotated 180 degrees with the origin as the center of rotation to create a new figure, what algebraic rule represents the transformation? To sketch the rotation, begin with the vertex of your choice. Name the vertex. If vertex A, located at -3, -3, is rotated 180 degrees, it will be renamed vertex A prime and will be located at 3, 3. Select a second vertex that is adjacent to vertex A and name the vertex the next letter of the alphabet. If vertex B, located at 2, -3, is rotated 180 degrees, it will be renamed vertex B prime and will be located at -2, 3. Continue with vertex C. If vertex C, located at 2, -4, is rotated 180 degrees, it will be renamed vertex C prime and will be located at -2, 4. Continue with vertex D. If vertex D, located at -2, -7, is rotated 180 degrees, it will be renamed vertex D prime and will be located at 2, 7. Finally, rotate vertex E. If vertex E, located at -3, -7, is rotated 180 degrees, it will be renamed vertex E prime and will be located at 3, 7. With all vertices rotated, we can connect to create the new image. What pattern do you see in the table of x and y values? What do you notice about the x values in the original polygon ABCDE and the transformed polygon A prime, B prime, C prime, D prime, E prime? What do you notice about the y values in the original polygon and the y values in the rotated image? The algebraic representation of a 180-degree rotation is xy transformed to -x, -y. Are corresponding side lengths equal? Yes. Number 3, are corresponding angles equal in measure? Yes. Quadrilateral ABCD is graphed on a coordinate grid. Number 1. If quadrilateral ABCD is transformed using the rule xy transformed to y negative x, what are the vertex locations of the transformed figure? The first step is to find the coordinates of the vertices in the original quadrilateral ABCD. A is located at -2, -4. B is located at 2, -2. C is located at 3, -6. And D is located at -5, -9. Now we use the algebraic representation to identify the vertex locations in the transformed image. The x values of the image vertices are equal to the y values in the original quadrilateral. The y values of the image are equal to the opposite of the x values in the original quadrilateral. We can graph and connect the vertex locations to verify our work. Number 2, identify this transformation. Is it a translation, a rotation, or a reflection? The transformation is a rotation. Number 3, is the rotation a 90 degrees counterclockwise rotation, a 180 degrees counterclockwise rotation, a 270 degrees counterclockwise rotation, a -90 degree clockwise rotation, a -180 degrees clockwise rotation, or -270 degrees clockwise rotation? The transformation is a 270 degree counterclockwise rotation, and it is also a -90 degree clockwise rotation. In summary, a rotation is a transformation that turns a figure about a fixed point called the center of rotation. A rotation is often referred to as a turn. A positive angle of rotation turns the figure in a counterclockwise direction. A negative angle of rotation turns the figure in a clockwise direction. A figure and its rotation are the same shape and size. They are congruent. Texas 8th grade students must understand, graph, identify, and explain the effects of rotations on size and measurements. This video was produced by Math GPS and may be downloaded free from our website. Thanks for watching.